Hi good people, welcome back to my channel. Nice to meet you again here, and please stay tuned in this video to know what we are going to show you for today. Preparing your balloon around 3 to 4 pieces in the same colors, or maybe you can mix the colors, it doesn't matter. Okay, so this is the first balloon. The first balloon we start make with 2 pieces of small pin twists and follow with the loop twisting here. Alright, like you see, you can make the same thing over there. Okay, let's see how many we make for the small pin twists. Alright, let's see. Okay, here we make around 3 pieces of small pin twists. You can see that, yeah, we have 3 pieces of small pin twists after the loop twisting. And now we get some size here. It's around 6 to 7 fingers, and we make in double side. Alright, let's see. After that, this is the double side of continue with the small, and then we take some size here. It's longer than the double side we have done, and then we follow with the small pin twist. So it's like a triangle shape. Yeah. Okay, so this is the next balloon. The next balloon we can take some size for the finger bubble, and after that we make the shape so we can bend little bit for the balloon. And after that we make a small pin twist and then small bubble and follow with the small pin twist also. Alright, and for the rest of this balloon we discard, and don't forget to tie the balloon, that's to lock the twisting. And now make it tidy by cutting the rest of the balloon, and also we repeat again. So we make it for 2 pieces, and then we join them together to be one part. Okay, let's see here. So for everyone, please stay tuned in this video to get away how to make this one of animal. I don't know for the short about the name, but it's like one of a horse. Okay, so that's one we insert into the triangle shape. So you can imagine what is that. Okay, and for the next, we preparing 1 pieces of balloon latex. That's the small size, and then we divide 2 that we make it 2 of pin twists. After that, we insert this balloon. Okay, we insert it like you see in this video. You can repeat the same step over there. So this will be the head part. Alright, we get it now. You can make sure for the position of the twisting before we continue. Okay, it's something like a quad. Yeah, take some size for the bubble, and for the rest of that balloon we discard. Okay, now we get the next balloon here. We can tie it together to be one part. Okay, and now we continue to twisting. Check some size for the finger bubble here and follow with the small pinch twist. Again, we make a small loop twisting. So it's around 3 to 4 fingers. Back to the finger bubble. Like you see, you can repeat the same thing over there. Alright everyone, so creating this video completely for the balloon twisting. I hope don't forget you to support my channel, like this video and subscribe my channel. Maybe you can share my channel to your friends to get more support for growing up my channel. Okay, so this is for the body part. Alright, we just need to make it tidy by cutting the rest of the balloon. Alright, let's see. And get the next balloon. For the next balloon, we can join by tie them into the first and the second balloon. Or we can say we twist that or we tie it into the neck of this llama mama. So this animal, the name is a llama mama. It is one of the horse, is something like a god. Okay, to make it straight for the neck, we can make the small pinch twist. Maybe you can make it one. All right. So this is almost done. Just wait for a few minutes. Okay, you can take to the body part for the neck to make it like the neck shape. Okay, the rest of the balloon we discard and don't forget to tie the balloon to lock the twisting. Okay, this is for the next. Here we use the yellow color here. This one is for the legs. So how to make it? This is easy to make. You can insert one of the balloon, one part of the balloon, and then we join them, or we twist that together, one side to the other side. Or we can say that we wrap the green color here with the yellow color. Make sure you make it the same size. Okay, we twist that first and then we lock the twisting. For the rest of the balloon, we discard and we lock the twisting. Okay, this is the first legs, and for the second one, we can use the previous balloon that we cut from the first we have made, and then the same steps we repeat. We can insert that and twist, then lock the twisting by joining the nozzles to the end of the balloon. Okay, now that balloon we tied to make it to be one part. Alright everyone, after we tie that, we make it tidy by cutting the rest of the balloon. Okay, so completely done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. So the time to enjoy the Llama Mama balloon twisting. So we'll see you again with the next balloon, of course, with Balloon Kids do channel. See you again and bye bye.